In the last video, I have told you how we can configure install the CUCM on Cisco router. Now it's time to uh, set up calling. So first of all, we will fetch the 79055 file, and then we will connect to our virtual machine. So first of all, we will copy the file, copy TFTP 10.0, 10.2 slash, this is the file, this is the file we need to copy. So you have to manually type if you can't copy it. P0604128.s pin. Sorry. So file has been loaded. Is getting loaded. Yeah. So you can verify it from show flash. So this is the file that we will use on the Cisco IP communicator. So now what to do next is to set up call routing. So go to telephony service. See phone you want to connect. I want to connect 24 phones maximum. Next time 28. Dot 7905 is the version, and the file name we will put here. Just remove the CP word. Then put the IP source address, will be your router address. Create CNF file, then reset sequence. So now we are going to set the clock. So 158.00. 27 Feb 2023. Now we are going to configure calls in VoIP. Service VoIP. Allow connection 3232323. Sorry. Allow connections X323 to SIP. Then allow connections SIP to SIP. And then we have to specify the register server expires. max 600 minute 60, then exit and then exit, then exit. Now we will configure the DSCP pool. So first of all, you need to specify DS service DSCP, then IP DSCP pool VoIP. Then we need to define our network. Default router. Option 150 is for TFTP. Then exit. And we can exclude the IP address 10.10.10.1. I say 5. Okay. Then we are going to configure the directory numbers. iPhone DN, sorry, iPhone DN1. We are going to give it a name. iPhone DN2 name tag. Sorry. We are going to give it a number. That we can do the calling from these numbers. Now we are going to connect our virtual machines to the DNS. I'm disconnecting this cloud and adding one Ethernet switch. Then I'm going to connect my 2 virtual machines. So first of all, we connect the router. I will connect this machine. Connect this machine. Now one by one we are going to start. This connection will make a tunnel to the VMs. I have already added the VM from here, VirtualBox VM. You can click on new and add your 2 VMs. So once it starts, we will get the IP address from the DSCP server. Let it start. So after that, we will copy its MAC address so that it can be registered on our server. So to test, just give it the IP address. So make sure you ping your router from here, otherwise it will create problems. Yes, we can ping the router. Now it will load. The number has already been assigned. It will assign the number once it get registered. So each one has been registered. And now I will run on my second machine. That is Windows 10. So let's configure this phone. So this is the MAC address we need to get. We need to note down 08002745.5324. So this is the MAC address of this PC. So let us configure. Its button. iPhone 1 MAC address. Type CIPC. Button 1:1. We will shut it down first. I'll go to my Windows 10 machine. It is still booting. So similar thing we have to note down whether we are getting the IP address and whether we can ping our server. Yes, we are able to ping our server. Now same thing goes for this PC also. We're going to copy this MAC address. So MAC address is 0800.2752.239. So we have copied it. So already you can see the number is flashing. So now we will configure our phone 2 with the MAC address. Type CIPC and button will be 1:2. Now what we'll have to do is shut down these two phones and reopen. So now I'm going to perform the calling part. Just wait a while. This phone is ready and this is getting ready. So both the phones have been registered as seen from the logs. Now I'm going to call the Windows 7 machine from here. So go to new call and type its number. So you can see here the call is landing. So in this way we can call the two IP phones together. And thanks for watching.